This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Settings and confirm your iPhone supports Optic ID, then update iOS if needed. Once done, make sure battery is adequate or plug the phone in to avoid interruptions. Position yourself in soft, even light and hold the phone 12 to 18 inches from your face. Remove glasses, masks, or anything obstructing eyes. This speeds scanning and improves accuracy. You're ready for the scanning sequence. Tap Face ID and passcode and follow the camera prompts to begin You'll see a circular frame and animated dots. Follow them with slow, deliberate head movements so the sensor captures many angles. Move your head in a smooth arc. Complete 2 rotations, one for the upper face, one for lower details, so Optic ID learns depth and texture. Once done, make sure to keep expressions neutral and avoid sudden motion. If the system requests more scans, pause and reposition the phone slightly closer or further by about 6 to 12 inches. Then continue until enrollment completes. After enrollment, lock the phone and test unlocking in different lights and angles. This verifies reliability. Once successful, enable attention awareness for improved security, and if your appearance varies often, add an alternate appearance. Make sure to allow apps to use Optic ID in privacy settings if needed. If you run into problems, try cleaning the front camera, reset Face ID and enroll again, or restart the iPhone. If issues persist, contact Apple support. Don't force repeated scans, as that may confuse the sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.